Hello everyone. So for this tutorial, I am going to teach you how to set up 1Password. So let's start by setting up your 1Password account. So first just head over to 1password.com, and I also have that link in the description down below. So you can use that link to go on the website and click on to the get started button. So after that, just choose the plan that suits you best. And 1Password offers options for individuals, families, and teams, and even businesses. So after that, after selecting your plan, you'll need then to create an account. You just need to fill in your name and your email address on the sections. After filling in all of your details, click on the next button. Now on this process or on this step, you just need to verify your email address. Enter the code on this section once you receive the 6-digit verification code on your email. Type in the code and click again on the next button. And after verifying your email, you'll then need to set up your account password. It says right here that this is the 1Password that you need to remember. So in short, this is your master key or your master password. So this is the key to all of your other password. And in your setup, or once you're setting it up, you need to make sure that you use 10 or more characters. Once you type in your password, click on to the next button. And this is where you'll need to add your payment method. So you can opt to add a payment method if you're using this card, click onto this section. And if you'll need or if you use gift card, click on to this section right here. And then you'll need to select your country and your region. After adding your payment method, you'll then be able to see this on your screen. So it says get your unique secret key. So your secret key is generated by your own device and it is yours alone. Make sure to never share it to other people. So click this button right here. It says generate secret key. Add 1Password as an extension if you haven't done that yet. Next, you'll need to import your password. So you have two options right here. So if you are going to import your password from a browser or from another password manager, select or choose this one. And if your passwords are written down or memorized, select this one. So I'm going to select this first option and click on import passwords, and then this page will appear. You have all of these options. So for if you're using browser, if you're importing your saved passwords or data from a browser, select from these options. And if you're selecting it or if you're importing it from different password manager, select from these options. And for somewhere else, you have all of these options also. So I'm going with Chrome, and then I'll be able to see these instructions right here. So once I follow these instructions, then I'll be able to download my saved passwords from Chrome. So then I'll click on continue and select the type of vault that I want to create, continue, and then this is where I'll need to upload or to drag and drop the file for my saved passwords. After uploading your saved passwords in 1Password, you have now successfully set up your 1Password account. You can use 1Password for autofill if you're using it an extension as an app for your iOS or any device that you are using. So that's it for this video. That is how you can set up 1Password. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.